What is up, YouTube? Are you looking for a way to make some real money from local businesses that need a service done for them every single month? If so, stay with me. I got something really exciting for you in my review of Video Magic Formula 2.0. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. And why is that? Well, regular viewers of the channel know that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere I go. And I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my bulimia. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, I know my jokes get kind of stale, just like my bread. No, my bread's actually wonderful. But anyway, if you are new, feel free to skip ahead. But if you are new, what I do here is two things: to review software and info products to make money in the online niche. And why is that? Well, because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, this is good stuff, okay? He complains all the time. He's annoying. He's such an annoying person. You know, get a life, Bart. Seriously. Can't find anything better to do. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it a tip in my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
He's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. I love Liz. She's such a sweetheart. Isn't she great? Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, and make sure you select to notify for all. Because subscribe, that doesn't really mean you're on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. This is the sales page for Video Magic Formula 2.0. Now, this is a very simple method of making real money online, and it's kind of magical. Not that kind of magical. You stay at the Hogwarts Academy. Anyway, but seriously, so you can see here some of the sales that Vic has been able to make using this particular method, $297 each time. Basically, it involves creating simple videos for local business. There's other things involved also. He's going to give you full training. I'm going to show you the members area in just a moment. Before we do that, though, I wanted to tell you about my custom bonus, because it's a really cool custom bonus. So first of all, I have a few bonuses that Vic has been kind enough to offer me. You'll be able to see those on my bonus page. But what's interesting that nobody else is going to offer you is actually going to be access to my very own white collar PLR. Now, why am I offering white collar PLR? Well, it comes with 3 high-end courses that you can actually sell or give away. And the idea here is basically use these courses as if they were your own and basically make use of them as a bonus to kind of entice people to get in the front door when you're actually selling them these services. Something that nobody else is going to offer you. Other people are just going to show you this stuff and say, hey, run with it. I'm actually going to give you something that you can use to get people in the front door. So you're going to have a competitive edge that nobody else is going to be able to have over, getting sales coming in. And you can see the numbers are pretty decent, $297 each time. Okay, now I'm going to show you the members area right now so you can see what this is. Now, this is not basically push a button and steam money spinning out of your computer, obviously, but it is pretty easy to do. So let's go ahead and take a look at the members area over here. Okay, they have a bunch of sections here. Getting started, you really don't need. That's just Vic telling you to get going. Okay, this is basically his webinar. Okay, the complete system is probably the first section you want to look at. He's going to explain to you the overall method that he uses to make money using this system. He also has software, which we're going to take a look at just a second. Ignore the software training. It's pretty easy to use. I will show you how to use it. This is what's really cool, the Done For You package. Okay, basically, you're going to get a set of ready-made videos that you can actually customize using PowerPoint. Now, in addition to everything else I'm giving you in my bonus, I'm actually adding another bonus in as soon as I finish recording this video. It's not up yet, but I will be shortly. Where I'm actually going to show you how to customize all these things using free software. In case you don't happen to have PowerPoint, you'll be able to use it. But he's going to give you basically the Done For You service is going to be a set of PowerPoint videos you can customize. Done For You images is images you can customize, and audio tracks, of course, that you can use as well. And they're all going to be included for you. You're also going to get a Done For You email template So you can have emails that you can actually use to customize and send out to local businesses in order to make money off of them. Okay, now the software that comes with it is it's really not a bad software at all. It's called Local Lead Finder on Yelp. So let's see if that one works here. Oh, New York, New York. Let's see what happens with this. There we go. And you can see all the different listings here from Yelp, all the different New York gyms that are available with phone numbers, with contact information, all that good stuff is all going to be included there, and you're able to go ahead and contact them immediately. So really, really cool stuff. Let's see if I can give the tip master product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, you rock. Great product. Love it. And for $15, you really can't go wrong. Go ahead and grab this. You're going to love it.